Hey y'all, it's your girl Black Barbie. Hey y'all, so today we are going to try something for the first time, and if you read the description, you know what it is. So this one has been on this mochi ice cream for a while, and we were in Kroger's tonight, and lo and behold, we came across some mochi balls. That's what I would call them, some mochi balls. And they had all different flavors, like 6 or 7 different flavors. So we all chose one. Brianna wasn't there, so we chose one for her. So are you gonna hold it in your hand? So if you're interested in seeing us try this, of course, keep watching. So first of all, did my phone die? Oh no. Let me tell you guys, because I really didn't know what mochi is before my phone died, because it's on 2%. Brianna said it's rice water.
It's flour.
Rice flour. So it says mochi ice cream is a confection made from Japanese mochi with an ice cream filling. It was invented by Japanese American businesswoman, and it's very cold. And tell them the flavor that you got.
Pinky.
Oh my god, it looks chewy.
Strawberry.
It looks soft.
Got pinky strawberry.
And Brianna, we got her cookie and cream, and then I got, what did I get? Butter pecan. All right, so Brianna said people be choking off of these.
Regular mochi, not
Regular mochi. So what is mochi, okay?
rice flour. It's
Okay,
a rice
mochi.
flour dessert.
Oh, it's sticky rice. Pounded sticky rice. Okay, got it. I was like, okay, well, what is mochi?
Ew.
All right, so here we go. We're going to try it for the first time. And if you guys have tried mochi before, tell us where you got it from, if you made it yourself, how'd you like it. Just leave a cute comment. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, because we're going to be doing little cute, simple videos from time to time. Don't put your hands on. Oh, it's hard and soft at the same time.
And it's cold.
It's smoochy. It looks like it's frozen dry. Okay, so anyways, subscribe and make sure that you like this video and give it a thumbs up and continue to watch. Turn on that notification bell, because somebody told me don't forget to say that. It would be right here or right here if I knew how to do that, but I ain't got time to be trying to know how to do that right now. So just subscribe and come back, okay? Ready? Who's gonna try it first?
Me.
Go. You tried it? Brianna tried it because has an attitude.
Hot. Oh, I mean,
it's hot?
Go.
It smells super sweet. Okay, here we go.
Don't lick the ice cream. No, you should have licked the outside
Oh.
It tastes like dough on the outside, like a flaky dough with bread. Really? Why?
It's weird.
Regular mochi tastes better.
And ice cream in the inside.
Sure it is.
So I mean, it's not bad, but I am in the mix of doing lazy keto, and this is not keto friendly, I'm sure.
It is that ice cream we made.
We also made some homemade ice cream, and we're going to be uploading that video soon. So depending on when we put this video up,
I bet.
make sure you guys check out the homemade ice cream. I want to taste. Y'all want to taste? Let's try. Let's switch.
I bet if they didn't freeze it so much, it would have been.
Dang! Come, try all of them. Okay.
I bet if they didn't freeze it all the way, it would have been way better.
And then I'll try that one. See what it looks like? It's like a flaky. This one is really good. It's like a doughy type of thing. You want to taste
yours? Tastes weird.
Ew.
Okay. Why are you biting so big?
I bit a small piece. I bit that piece over there.
Breeze is good.
Don't eat it out. That's my favorite. I like that. What is this?
I like this one. I like the strawberry too.
Breeze
butter pecan.
Good.
It smells like a pancake.
Oh, the strawberry is good too.
This tastes like a pancake.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
I wonder how many calories is in this thing.
Ugh. Why you
Mine is more thick.
Exactly.
And Brianna's is a little looser, and Gabby's is kind of like a nice soft consistency. I don't know if it has something to do with the flavor or what, but they're all good. I am not mad. I don't know how authentic this is. Again, it was in the grocery store. They had it in like a thing, like, you know, when you go to the ice cream shop and it's a freezer. They were in the middle of the store, and they had like green tea. They had double chocolate.
That was good.
They had
you had to get them out yourself.
vanilla bean.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you just open it up and use the little tool, pick it up, put it in a container, and go.
I need us to go back.
I like the
So-
ice cream inside of mine.
I don't like the outside of Gabby's, but the ice cream is good. And my mama, I don't know, like the flavor of it tastes like those pancake mug cups.
Butter
every
pecan.
day.
Oh yeah,
We're not
take
gonna do
that
that
out.
yet.
It's done.
I know. I want you to look at it.
Okay, so what's your final thoughts on the mochi?
I mean, it's good, but if they didn't freeze the outside so much.
How do you know how it's
The
supposed to be
outside
fro-
isn't frozen.
It's well,
It's
not
a
like
gel.
that, but like
So
if it
you
was-
you just like
if it
the
You don't
ice
like the
cream.
flavor of the ice, the outside.
The mochi part is the outside, not the ice cream.
I don't know.
So you are not like a super fan of mochi right now. Okay?
Regular
Brianna,
mochi tastes better.
You need to
pretty
come
sure
in the
like-
camera
I'm
and
pretty
tell them
sure
how you feel.
There's
I personally don't mind it. I actually like it. If I go to Japan,
How you
I'm gonna get some mochi.
no. I'm talking about. I'm talking about.
Go, Brianna. What's your thought about? And this is
Feels
called
more
my mochi. What's your
sticky.
thought about the mochi?
Mine, I prefer regular mochi over the ice cream.
How you know if you've never even had mochi before?
I did have it. I prefer regular mochi.
No.
over-
We're not gonna skip over the fact that you said you had it. Where and when?
From that little Japanese bakery thingy.
When? Because I had to be with you.
No, you weren't.
Who was with you?
I was with Kendrea.
And y'all had mochi. Because God and Kendra on the phone right now.
First of all, my phone in the room. I'm not about to walk all the way back there to get my phone. You gonna go get it?
She lied.
Okay, go ahead. Can I go back in my room now? You making me mad. Get out my face. So annoying.
Just because I don't believe that you had mochi before.
And you
What
don't
was the
have
flavor?
to
Okay, what was the
believe
flavor
me.
you had?
It was green tea. Well, matcha.
Matcha green tea
It was
mochi.
pretty good.
I halfway don't believe her, but if she say so you don't like ice cream.
I mean, I like ice cream, but I don't know how to the texture of the. I think because it's cold, it's nasty.
Well, maybe because
It's supposed to be chewy
if you
and
really
Yeah,
did
that's what I'm
have,
talking about.
if you really did have mochi
I don't like that.
without the ice cream, it could be because it was freshly made in the bakery, Japanese bakery that you went
No,
to.
I'm not even the other one. Stop touching me.
Come on, girl.
No,
And
stop
that
touching
would have mean that it was fresh.
Fix
So of
this.
course this is, not completely fresh because it was in the grocery store. So yeah. So anyways, that's it, y'all. So thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Are you guys rude or not? Say bye.
No.
Nay.
Come cook dinner.
Bye.